Happy Monday. I have the whole day to pack up my stuff before leaving Vancouver. So I bought some brain boost stuff, and I'm going to review it for you. Something that I struggle with sometimes is my focus and attention sometimes, and this is something that's supposed to help with that. The lady, Lila, who worked at the place I got this from, said it should take like 10-15 minutes. 10-15 minutes for it to start having its effects. So I'm going to check back in 10-15 minutes and let you know what this fish oil brain boost, what sort of effect it has on me. Oh, it tastes good. Like syrup. So I definitely feel more focused, though I did just spend like the last 30 minutes FaceTiming my mom, which was productive. But I haven't really done anything else yet, so I don't have a full review. I managed to pack up most of my stuff with laser focus. I'm not done yet, but I am in a onesie. Just got this new suitcase. Super stoked on. I just got a call from the front desk, and they said there's a package for me. I don't know what it is, but I hope I have enough room in that suitcase for it. I got a box from Ramona Shersnick, I think is how you say the last name. I'm gonna open it now. I feel like my apartment can't get any messier than it is right now, so I'm just gonna... Oh, wow. They wrote a card, too. Jeans. Jeans. Pants. Jacket. 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 I'm getting spoiled. Thanks, Ramona and Rachel. And all this sweet swag is from American Eagle Outfitters, and they got some cool stuff. What's up? The company that Ramona, Lizette, and Rachel work at is called Shadow. They send me all this stuff. Thank you, ladies, so much. Now I just gotta find a way to pack it all.